Okay, so I can't get this fucker started. I bought it at auction, and the auction said that it starts and runs, or runs and drives is the language they used. I think I have got good battery power. Can raise and lower the trim okay. Other functions are working. But I'm running off of just some cheap car battery I got off of Marketplace. It's a relatively new though, so I don't think this issue is the battery. Because I also put a 2-foot long wrench on there and tried to get the engine to turn, and it did not want to go, and I'm a decently sized boy at 250 pounds, and I think I was actually getting to the point where I was going to break the bolt off on there. Anyway, so here's what happens when you try to start it. See if I can get you a shot of anything. Turning the key now. So it turned a little bit there. Do another go. And that's, battery's doing that. And the battery terminals, when I touch them, are really hot after that. Like, have to pull your hand away instantly because it's burning your flesh hot. If anyone's got any tips and tricks or any indication, I don't think it's locked up because that wouldn't have turned then. Please let me know. Thanks.